Europe and reunited with Choya and the other dogs here, and also the vans.
I will say I really miss sleeping in this van. Even though we haven't fully gotten on the road yet, just living in it this little bit of time, I feel like it's already home. And when I'm away, I miss it. Okay, bed made. Now time to clear off this area so we can start bringing things in. I got new glasses. What do you guys think? We got this book when we were traveling through California because we were in Big Sur and we went to the Henry Miller Library. Still haven't read it yet. This is one of Sarah's favorite books in the whole world, if you guys didn't know about that already. One of our close friends, Nikki, gave us this book to read, so I'm gonna read that next. And all of these can go inside for now. We really need to put gas struts on these because we've been holding it up with our heads every single time. Okay, we definitely need to downsize. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Why do I have 2 matcha whisks? I don't know. These 2 cups can stay. This matcha bowl can stay. We got this in New York. It's really good for like loose teas. And we got some really exciting new mugs, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of all of these. And by get rid of, I just mean put them inside of the house.
Do you see how the humidity caked on all the dust particles? Like it's not vacuuming. I'm gonna have to wipe it. I think that this is too big of a drawer to not have bins. So that's something that I'm going to have to order this week just to organize things better. But for now, I'm just gonna put a few different stacks in there. A couple crop tops. Cozy clothes. It's really hot, so I'm not putting any winter gear in here. And there's other stuff in the wash, so that's it for now. We are back in Texas, and for the next few weeks we're going to be building Tori's van, but it is very hot here, so I got a few new outfits from Halara to get me through the build. This is a Softly Zero plush backless active dress. This dress is perfect for the build because it's very comfortable, it's stretchy, it's breathable, and it's great for going on runs and stretching as well. Look who's ready to go. We're gonna go for a run, and they're coming with us. The Softly Zero plush texture of this dress is perfect for the summer because it's airy and it draws moisture away. It's also customizable with different cup sizes, lengths, and colors. And it has built-in shorts for extra security, and my favorite part about these shorts is this back area has an opening so that you can remove them when you're needing to go to the restroom instead of having to remove the entire dress. I haven't been here in a while. I have no clue what to expect. Oh, there's my yoga mat. We're gonna do a little yoga on Tori's roof. It's been a while since I went up here. Ooh. I actually haven't been up here since we've installed the solar panels outside. Looks so cute. I've also never done yoga up here, so we'll see where the best place is to put this yoga mat. Honestly, keeping it really slow today. Look at that view. That's so pretty. And I actually got a few other outfits from Halara for the summer, and they're all so cute. I love all of the colors that they have as well. If you're in need of new activewear for the summer, definitely check out Halara. I will have the link in the description of this video.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make this shelf cute. We got this little plant back in January and it has become so curly. This didn't exist before and it belongs over here. So I'm gonna leave it here. But everything else, I kind of want to try something new and switch things around. This is her essential oil diffuser. It was here in the middle, but I feel like it maybe should just go in this corner over here. And then this one, Sarah got at a little shop in Austin. I don't know where to put this one. There, here. That's cute. I like that there. Okay, now does this plant belong on this shelf? Wow, there's a lot of dirt on the bottom. She's lost a lot of her leaves. It's looking a little sad, but what can you do when you leave a plant for so long? I think it'd be kind of cute to have like a lot of greenery in one area. We'll just leave that there for now. This one is actually mine. It has a little dog on it and I think it's so cute. It's eventually gonna go in my van, but for now we'll just keep it in hers. I think I'll just keep it over here in this area. And let's see. Oh, I know. Okay, this one's really special. Our friend Maddie is a ceramicist and she made this for Sarah for her birthday and she made me one too. I don't think mine's in here right now, but this one is so cute and it sits on its side like that and it has the time on it and the humidity level. It's 76% humidity right now. It's a lot. So I think this would be really cute just right here. And lastly, Sarah got this little crystal from a family member. So we're gonna put that right there. And now I'm just gonna go in and put sticky putty on the bottom of all of these because they will fall off if I don't. This is what Sarah has been using ever since I've known her to keep things down on her cabinets and shelves. Now over here we have our beautiful pothos. Back where she belongs. Sarah's journal over there and a few other things that just make the space. I ended up switching that because I feel like it fits more and then there's gonna be another green plant there.
Look what I have.
So cute.
Want to put it up?
Yeah.
I think we should put a picture of us in it.
Yeah, we should do that. Do you have something to print? Oh wait, you have that little printer.
Yeah, but I think we should get it like even better quality and just put it up for now.
Okay.
Somewhere there maybe?
Yeah.
Under the desert sun.
A lot of dust has accumulated because we were gone for a month. Just wiping down every single surface.
Where the wild things run, that's where you found me. But she should know that where the wind goes.
Sarah is sick and I have a raging headache, so it's time to make some tea for the both of us. I've got fresh turmeric and fresh ginger. That should heal us, right?
We spent an entire month in Europe. It was all so much fun, but what I didn't really share too much about was the disaster that was every single travel day. I have never been on a trip where more was going wrong with the travel days. Every single time we had a bus ride, it was canceled. Every single time we had a flight, something went wrong. Buses would be late, they would not be where they were expected, and our flight back to the US was also a disaster as well. It was supposed to have a layover in Dallas, but it ended up completely rerouting to New York for whatever reason, and we had to wait in New York, and we thought we were gonna have to stay overnight there, but we eventually made it back. I feel like all of the chaos of traveling has worn on our bodies, and we're both feeling very tired. So I think just like cleaning up the space and getting prepped today, also just taking care of our bodies as we're both feeling a little bit under the weather is gonna be really good and be a good way to prep us for the next few weeks because we have a lot lot to do. On our agenda for the next few months is finishing Tori's van, but there's also multiple projects that I would love to get done on my van. And then, as you guys know, the biggest challenge throughout this build in general has been building in the heat. So being here in the summer is going to be very rough. The temperatures in Texas get to such an unbearable, honestly, like safety hazard points. Over the next month, I assume that there are going to be some high temperatures while doing these van builds. So that's always a challenge because we are not doing it in AC.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Ginger, lemon, turmeric.
Oh, that's so nice.
I try to get Sarah to chew the ginger at the bottom of the teas, but you won't do it. It would help so much.
Another thing I would love to do while we're back is knit. I would love to get at least one project done before we get on the road.
I know I really wanted to finish that beanie before Europe, but
Yeah.
it was too big. I had to scrap it. We got ourselves a new collection of mugs while we were in Europe, made by Maddie Taylor.
Pretty cute.
We also got these stackable ones. This one is mine. It has a little bird on it. And then there's this one for Sarah.
Like I said, there's a few projects that I want to do in my van. One of them being I need to add gas struts so that she doesn't have to do that with her head. And then because I have all of these ceramics and bowls and plates that could break, I just feel like having a little more organization in the upper cabinets will be really nice. I want to build a shelf for this one, that one, and the charging station, I think, because I just feel like when a area is that big, I'm not utilizing so much of it, and this is such a small space, so you want to take advantage of everything. Another thing is getting handles for these. These are temporary handles that I never intended to actually leave there. I want to get these squiggly handles and put them where that is. Also on these sides as well. You can kind of see the burn mark behind the kettle there. That is because it is not deep enough. I want to add the niche before we go as well. I think that will be really nice because I'll be able to utilize both of the burners instead of just one. Sliding door is not done. Like, ideally, I obviously would love to get the sliding door done, but it's not my highest priority because there are other things to do. There's a couple things to do in the bathroom. Like, I need to figure out a better way to make sure that the sliding wall is not bouncing. There's already a locking mechanism, but it still kind of rattles, so I need to find a solution for that. What I should do tonight, honestly, is list highest priority, like what would be most life-changing for me to have done, to lowest priority, and see what I can get done. But obviously right now a lot of our priority is with Tori's van because it is further behind. It's not even livable at all right now. I feel like with these van builds we keep making timelines and they keep being wrong. Like, it's hard to estimate exactly how long something's gonna take. I don't know. I guess right now I'm feeling like a little overwhelmed about everything, but also just because I'm feeling under the weather too, so I don't feel like I have the energy to take it on. And I think having that deadline is going to work for us because we both like work under pressure pretty well. Tori made me a Korean soup for lunch, and we're just gonna reheat that for dinner since we're both feeling so low energy.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. We actually discovered a restaurant in Austin, Texas that serves the most amazing Korean soup, and that is what inspired this. Also, another thing, this is a new pot that my mom got me because she went to Japan, or actually I think this is from Taiwan. I really needed new pots and pans, as you guys probably noticed from my shitty ones that were completely stained.
How much do you want? Oh, it's so lightweight. Top it with a little green onion. What you doing?
Doing the dishes.
This is dessert. The best dessert in the whole world. I think that a movie sounds really nice tonight. With some peanut butter cups.
What movie should we watch?
I don't know. I have a list of movies that I've wanted to watch, but I think we're like getting down to the bottom of it. We've
Really?
watched some pretty banger ones this year. Let me look at my list. I really want to watch Pan's Labyrinth, but they don't have it available anywhere for some reason. I also want to see Poor Things. We haven't seen that yet. On the plane, I watched Spirit again. That was my favorite movie as a child, and I forgot all about it. The one with the horse. It's an animated movie.
What? I remember that.
You were sleeping. I was bawling my eyes out.
Really? You didn't tell me this.
I was bawling my eyes out. Oh my god. The people would come by in the aisles and they'd be looking at me and I literally, I'm like wet. I'm like dripping. I don't know
so
why that
funny.
movie just hits me so hard. It's funny that that was my favorite movie as a child because it's literally just so sad actually. Let's make the bed and browse around. I was gonna tell you to go get the laptop, but then I thought about Justine's peanut butter cups. And that's all I told you to get. I'll go get it. It's fine. Nothing happened.
We decided we're gonna watch Scandal.
And Mr. Boy is here. Oh, he's so cute. You're our baby. I love you. Okay, let's watch the show and go to bed. Go lay down. Good boy.